What is good, everybody? This is going to be the finale of the Trading Den V2, and then I do need to buy a 50k account and pass it with just micros using the turtle soup strategy, so that's what I'm going to do next. So for this is going to be the backtesting session. If you guys are not in the free Discord, go join it. It is the first link down below. The rules for this challenge are going to be 2 trades a day, right? 1 or 2 trades a day. If I hit a winner, I'm done. No SMT, no trade, and then 1% risk every trade, right? We're starting with a 50k account balance, and we're going to trade just like I would trade any day, right? I don't like doing backtesting, so it might be a little rough around the edges, but it is what it is. You guys will see a little bit of how I go into each day, each week, right? This is going to be a new week. I think this is Tuesday though, so we're going to do only 3 weeks of back testing because I hate doing these and they take so long. So we're going to do 3 weeks. I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible, but like I said, it does take a while, so I'm only going to do 3 weeks. So I think this is the 30th, so we'll do the 30th to like the 20th or 19th or something like that. So let's just hop right into this. If we take a look here at the weekly chart, start of a new week, it's Tuesday, we can see that we have had slight displacement on the NQ. ES had a CISD right here, and it looks like we are respecting it. This candle has closed below this, so it looks like we could draw down to this low down here, right? So very simple weekly bias. We're looking for this low, right? This low down here is going to be our first target. Anything lower than that, as of right now, we don't care about. So that is our main objective going into the week. Right here on the NQ, we do have a slight SMT inside of this fair value gap. Right, we have an SMT right here, so that's a 4-hour and a 1-hour SMT. So we don't need to come up and tap into this imbalance. We can just rotate lower. So obviously you can tell CISD right here, respect, displace lower, and we did not have an SMT right there, but ES did tap into this fair value gap, displacement lower. Oh, I'm still looking at the daily. I thought I was looking at the 4-hour. My bad. Let's go down to the 4-hour though. This is taking a little bit to load. Okay, there we go. So once again, there's that SMT. We do have equal highs right here on the ES, so right now I don't want to do anything, so we'll speed it up a little bit. Right, so there we go. We took out that high at 9 a.m. If we go to the 15, right now I don't really like it. I wouldn't want to short this right now because there's no lower time frame SMT. Kind of want to see if we can get displacement and then see if we can get an internal soup. I don't want to try to call top up here, so yeah, we're still pushing. Okay, there's open, and look at that wick. So yeah, right now I don't want to do anything. Still pushing higher, still pushing higher. Yeah, no SMT up there, right? We have that higher time frame SMT right here, but there's no lower time frame SMT, so I'm still not interested unless we can get displacement and then maybe an internal SMT. So we do have the displacement, run a fair value gap, and now we're going lower. So looks like right now our draw is correct. What can be our target if we do get into a trade, right? Well, we kind of have relative equal lows, so right there's a pretty nice target. So if we tap into here, that would be decent, but it doesn't look like we will. Do we? No SMT yet. Right there is an SMT. Do we have a higher time frame at fair value gap or something? No. Looks like we could open one up right here. So we do have this. If we close back inside this range, we could tap into it, and we do. So there's the tap and an SMT. So, and a down close candle. So this would be our internal model, right? Higher time frame fair value gap, lower time frame SMT, right? This is our first down close candle. Right here's our stop loss. Right, the bad thing about this is I can't use the 30-second chart. I'd be in this trade probably up here, but I can't use the lower time frame chart. So this is what the trade's going to look like. SMT, 15-minute fair value gap, higher time frame bearish order flow, beautiful short, right? So we're going to risk 1%. Save. So right there's the trade, right? There we go, right? And if you want to wait for a swing high to be formed, I mean, I wouldn't enter there. Wait for a fair. There you go. There's a fair value gap. So now we know that we're basically correct in this trade, right? Unless this gets ran through, obviously, we're probably going to be right, right? Right here is going to be your first short, right? If you didn't get in on the soup, short this, right? And now we have an SMT down here. So what happens now? Hands off, right? It's not in relationship with the bias or the overall model, right? 15-minute fair value gap. We should just run this SMT. There we go. We could just, we can zoom out. Stop loss can go to break even. Right, let's, there we go. So there we go. Beautiful trade. 15-minute fair value gap, lower time frame, 1 minute SMT. Right, bearish order flow. This looks like accumulate. This will be our manipulation, displacement lower. Right, now why didn't I want to try a short up here? Well, right here would be your first try at a soup, right? Comes up, pierces above the high. But once again, it's not really a deep run, right? It's not really a deep run, and it's kind of choppy, right? It's open, chopped around, then we get the displacement. In this example, I obviously, like I shorted down here, I'd wait for the overall model to show itself, right? So right there, beautiful trade. Now why did I target that low? Kind of relatively equal, right? 78, 40, it's only 30 points. If this gets ran, I'd assume this gets ran. I don't know if we get the whole way down here, right? We can speed it up, see if we do. Oh, wow. Yeah, so we did. That's pretty nice. So coming into Wednesday, oh, I forgot to check for news on that day. Well, I guess I didn't trade until 10, right? So that's fine. We'll check for news on this day though. Okay, so I do have USD pulled up. So this, why does it say 6 p.m.? No, I want UTC -4, 2. Oh, that's FOMC. So like I said to the Discord, I have zero interest in FOMC days, so I'm skipping it. All right, so no interest. So let's head to the daily. Wow, big candle, but this candle right here, right, closes below all these lows. I wonder if I have 50% made. Yeah, I do. Nice. This right here, right, we fail to come to a premium. What are we doing here? Rebalancing the equilibrium of this swing high to this swing low. Takes previous day high. Boom, takes it. Could start to fit. So what would this be? Right, we could target 50% of this candle, right? So 54.25, just put a line there, right there. Right, so this could be our target for this day, right? And it lines up with a fair value gap. So this could end up being not too bad. And we have an SMT right here. So, but it does look like ES wants to go up and take it, so we'll see if ES wants to get up there. Did I miss it? Oh, I might have missed it. I might have missed it. Oh, no, I didn't. Equal, oh, that's a beautiful target. We have equal lows. Equal lows and equilibrium of that previous day range, and now we have this SMT. So that's previous day high. What's our, yeah, I don't want to short yet. Why don't I want to short yet? There's no PD array on the NQ that we could be rejecting from, so kind of want to see if we can take this high, right? I don't want to short yet just because I want to see if we can come pierce this high and then rotate lower, right? That would be our PD array, right? So if we pierce that high, there's that high. There's a down close, but yeah, there's an SMT, right? SMT. So we did actually come up here and take these highs, but we do have a macro about to open and we're close to 10 in the morning. Kind of want to, yeah, let's look at this 5-minute closure. Okay, so I kind of want to see if we can get up here and take this high, right? Why? Because this candle closes above this one. Yeah, I know the 15-minute, right, it takes this high and we could close back inside, but I can't, like, this 5-minute displacement right here and closing above shows me that this high could be taken. Nice. So we do take it. I thought maybe I was going to miss it. Right? Now, this could be a short. Okay, so no wick on this candle, right? But we could wait and see if NQ wants to tap in here, right? But I'm waiting for this swing high, right? So we have a swing high formed up here. So this could be the high, right? We have a lower time frame stop run, SMT, swing high formed. So this could be the high. I know this is a pretty fat stop loss, 34 points. I usually wouldn't do this, right? I'd be on the 30-second. That's what I wish I could be on the 30-second, right? 30-second, I could have shorted somewhere up here, but I can't use the 30-second on this. So the good thing about this is, right, we're going to target equilibrium, 300 points. Jeez, 11R, right? We're going to take partials down here though, so save. Right, here's your SMT. Over here is your higher time frame SMT and buy stops, right? So we can go to the, well, let's see if it wants to. All right, so this is the moment of truth. Is this volume imbalance gonna hold, right? This volume imbalance, right? We're holding it right now. All right, so we're moving lower. Looks like we could be. Nice, nice. Right, I won't move my stop to break even until we swipe these equal lows, because that's just a beautiful target. Right, we do have an SMT on them, but they're equal lows, so I'd assume they get ran. Boom. Close 75, or we'll do 50. Right, stop loss to break even. Now we can see if equilibrium of yesterday's range wants to get hit. Beautiful sell-off. Nice. Boom, right there. Beautiful short, right? Turtle soup. The only thing holding us down was this volume imbalance, and then we get displacement off of it. This looks like an internal soup. Yep, right there. SMT. Right, swipes this high. Displacement lower. So right there, beautiful trade. Obviously, you guys heard why I took profits there. Down here, equilibrium of Wednesday's candle. All right, so let's go to the next day. Dude, we sold off that much. Okay, so this might be a no trade day. Yeah, we've sold off a lot. Do we have news? No, not until Monday. Looks like we just had news though. Right, so left equal highs right there. Wonder if we run them. We do have an SMT on it. Right now I wouldn't do anything. Okay, so we're Are we not going to run that? If we leave those and go run the lows, I'm not trading. Right, I don't care what's happening down here, right? I mean, it's just straight. That just doesn't look good. I mean, look at this. Yeah, bro. I don't like this. I'm not trading it. Yep. I mean, look at that. I don't want to trade that. Why didn't we run this high? Nothing was holding us. Yeah, not interested, bruh. Okay, so Monday, when we do have news on this day. Yep, 10 a.m. Just checked. So, the weekly chart. This is whenever we sold off super, right? I thought we already took this low, though. Right, I thought we took that. So obviously huge bearish order flow, but I'm pretty sure that the trading view charts took this low, right? I think they did. I don't remember, bro. I think they did, though. Right now we have an SMT, right? So a 4-hour SMT right there, right? We could start to rebalance. Like if we go to the 15-minute, we could like come take... Oh, we have equal highs up here, bro. Equal highs. SMT. If we could get a lower time frame stop run. Oh, equal high. I actually really like longs. Look at all these highs up here. There's an SMT, but equal lows, I kind of think they get ran. Right there. Right, so we could try longs from here. Wonder if we came to equilibrium of this wick. No. Oh, wow. Okay, so I think we come rebalance some of this, right? And take these equal highs up here. Dude, that's 600 points, but we were really volatile on this day. I didn't trade this day. I remember. I woke up and saw that we were down like 1,000 points, and I was like, nope. But since, for the sake of the back testing session, kind of want to see if we can long this. Right here, higher time frame SMT, lower time frame stop run. Right? I mean, for the sake of the video, we can try. Let's just save this as TS. Save. We can, for the sake of the backtesting session, we can try. Right? We can try. Stop loss would be 55 points. Dude, that's a lot. 524. Wow. Right. Okay, so the reason for this trade, 4-hour SMT, 15-minute takes this candle's low. We're anticipating it to close back inside this range, right? We're trading at 8:30, right? What did 8:30 do, right? Important times. 8:30 opens up, digs lower. So we're anticipating this to be the low with a key time into a key level, right? Stop run. Now we're anticipating what? Rotation higher to rebalance. Stopped out. Immediate. Okay. Well, there's your CISD fair value gap. I might have been wrong on the time. Obviously, I was. Okay, so 9 a.m. Alright, so I guess I was just wrong on the time. That kind of sucks. We could have went to the 5-minute. Right here's your order block. That sucks. Whatever. Oh, did we run that high too? Yep, we ran the high. Let's go to the next day. I mean, that's why I didn't trade that day. Okay, so Tuesday. Right, so we came into this. Right, came into this. Closed below here, but I'm almost positive we took this low on the NQ. Right, we do have a nice order block right here. So, order block. So I kind of want to see if we can get long. So if we get an SMT on the 1 hour, I'd be cool. I'd try longs. Looks like we want to take that low though. And I don't think we have news. No, it's not showing any. Okay, so right there, swipes that low. We do have an SMT on this candle. So right there we have an SMT. Right here we have an SMT. Equal highs up here. Right. Midnight didn't do anything, right? We just went straight down midnight. So we're below midnight and 8:30. So we're below both of them right now. Oh my gosh. So let's go to the one, right? If we can take this candle's low right there. So there's another SMT. So if we get an up close, I'll try longs, right? So this would be your lower time frame soup. Right, higher time frame SMT, lower time frame soup. Right, this is going to be a big stop loss again. Dude, I really don't like how they're so big, but for the sake of the video, we're going to do it, right? But look at how big the profit targets are. That's crazy, right? So, higher time frame SMT, lower time frame stop run. Let's place order. Save. Okay, so we do have an SMT, but it's not in relationship with the higher time frame SMT. So should be able to run through that. Right. Should run through this SMT right here because we have this higher time frame SMT. 5-minute stop run. Fair value gap gets formed. We're going to that high. Did ES take it yet? Yeah, ES took it. So we're going to take half off. Boom. So we'll let the rest run and see if we can get up there. Stop to break even, my bad. Alright, so it looks like we're kind of just oh, there, profit target hit, right? So, right there, nice trade. I don't like how big these stop losses are though, so, right, probably would have been trading micros, right? But this trade, SMT right there with that candle, 15-minute, takes the candles low, right? We close below here, takes the candles low. Anticipate that we rotate higher, right? So very simple. Next day open, right? And I think we just overtook that loss by a lot, so you guys can see that you guys can see that these winners outweigh losers by a ton. So whoa, we closed red on that day. Wow, we took that high and then dumped. Crazy. I don't like trading in this, though. I mean, this looks gross, right? I mean, if we're going to rotate, dude, I don't know. Like, we do have that big 4-hour order block. Like, I don't, want to short this anymore, right? SMT down here, order block. Like, I think we should start to go higher. I don't know if there's news. Nope. Okay, so 1 hour for value gap here. If we can tap that. Yeah, nope. No tap of it. And I kind of just want to long this. I don't really want to short this. Oh, right there, SMT. Ew. I wouldn't even have tried to short there. Equal high. Yeah, I wouldn't have tried to short. Oh my gosh. I definitely wouldn't have tried to short. equal. Yeah, I don't like this. And we go run higher. Yeah, I don't like this, bro. Next day. Screw that. I kind of want to see if we can get displacement. I don't... Whoa. There we go. Now we're in business. 50K, 150, 50. My bad, I was looking at Discord. Alright. Now we have oh, dude, that candle closed red too. Okay. Well, we took previous day low. Looks like we're getting displacement. Do we have a higher time frame SMT, right? Right there's previous day low. No SMT though. Excuse me. It looks like accumulation manipulation, but I don't want to short this. No. Right, so don't really need to wait for that 1 hour. If it opens up a 1 hour fair value gap, we don't need to wait for it to get tapped into. This does have no wick though. Right, why don't we need to wait for that to get tapped into? It's because we're about to open this big one up, right? The 15-minute one. So if we rebalance like somewhere down here, I'd be cool with longing. Right, like I said, I want to long this. I don't want to short anymore. Because I'm almost positive that we took that low on NQ and then we made that 4 hour order block. Either way, if we didn't, we have an SMT order block. So we probably just tapped a mean threshold of it. Yeah, we did. So I don't really want to short this. So we'll see if that gets tapped. Maybe. Open. Right. I can't do anything unless we tap it. Right, so we're looking for this big old boy. Okay, so now we're coming down. Right? So SMT here too. Right, so now we're gonna wait. I don't like this, so I kind of want to see if we take that low. Okay, so there. Okay, so we're coming down lower and lower. So we just came into this big 1 minute too. Get off there. Right, so we can just make it that. Okay, so we do have 950 macro coming up. We do have an SMT down here. 5 minute would be... We're about to close this 5 minute. But since we're so far and we don't have displacement on this, I would think that we don't even take this 5 minute low. Oh, excuse me. Stretching. So we're going to try a long here. Whoa. Right, first PT would be this high. What is it? 5R? Yeah. What would be our higher time frame PT? We have equal highs up here, so we could try 4. I'm not holding that the whole way, but yeah. So we can see. Stopped. Right, I'm still willing to retry this. Right, so there's that 5 minute. We actually did come down and take this. So 5 minute, if we get a 1 minute up close, there's the up close. So we're gonna try a re-long here. Right, stop loss can be somewhere down here. Right. Where is that high? Up here. Right, 15 minute for value gap. What didn't I wait for there? That's my fault. What didn't I wait for there? A lower time frame stop run, right? I didn't wait for that lower time frame stop run. Right here, now we have a swing, right? Now we have a swing point. Now we come down, and that was my fault, right? That was completely my fault. This one should work, right? SMT, but doesn't really matter. It's not in relationship with the overall draw. Right. See, now we're flipping it green. So that trade, that first one right there, completely my fault. Right. I didn't wait for the lower time frame stop run. Right. Backtesting sessions, I will say I do get ahead of myself. So that was completely my fault. Yeah, and we're displacing. So unfortunate for me, man. I didn't mean to do that. But if we look at the 15, we basically still did get in right above the opening price. So honestly, if we close above this on the 15, I'm willing to hold a long ways. Yeah, this looks insane. If we retake that high, oh, partial, boom, 75%. That's completely my fault. I didn't mean to do that. I should have. See, that's the thing with backtesting sessions. I don't take it seriously, right? So I don't take it seriously at all because it just, like, yeah, it's my strategy and everything, but I just get really bored doing these. And it does look like we're gonna go take that high. Is it teasing me right now? Boom. So right there, we actually did get that full rotation. So that's my fault on that first trade. So what was the entire analysis behind this? 15-minute fair value gap. What do we wait for? Right? Just so you guys understand more clearly. I shouldn't have longed here because there was no lower time frame stop run, right? Right here's our stop run. Take the swing low, then close bullish, right? If I was on the 30-second chart, I probably would have been in right around here, right? If I was live trading, right? If this was the market in real time, I would not have tried that there. So that's completely my fault. So let's try not to do that again because we only have 12 days left. So let's try to take this seriously. Right, now we have Friday. Took that. Man, I don't want to try this. But anyway, oh, whoa. Actually, yeah, I kind of do. We have a no wick candle. 4-hour fair value gap. I'm actually down. Boom, taps it. That is a no wick, right? Open. High. Yeah. It's a no wick. Wonder if we can, like, get down here, though. Right there's a small SMT. I might miss a long. Yeah. SMT, order block, SMT. Probably missed it. If we can SMT, like, on the 1 minute, I'd be down. Like, right there. See, this is where I wish I had the 30-second. Alright, so I don't think up close would have happened there on the 30. Oh, SMT there. Alright, so let's look at the 5. There's no wick on this. What the hell was that? Alright. So we did come down here and take this low. Right there would be a long ski. But I mean, this just looks like chop, right? If you guys really want me to I don't know why I'm asking. If you guys really want me to try longs, because I don't think these lows will get ran. I don't think so. We'll try it. I mean, for the sake of the back testing session. Oh, and we left equal highs. I don't know if we get the Hoy up there. 10 a.m. just opened. I guess we're in it. I'd move my stop to break even. Because we're just kind of chopping, right? Chop. But we still have an SMT down here, right? I just don't think we run that low. Because ES already has. So, should be able to keep going. Boom, there's first PT. I mean, we can see if we get all the way up there, but I don't know if we do. That no wick? Yeah. Dang. There, stopped out break even. I don't know if we're... Do we get up there? What? So it was lunch session that sent us. Stupid. Whatever. Let's go to the next week. So when did I start this? The 29th? I think. Maybe it was the 30th. July 30th. 1, 2, 3. So the 20th. So we have 8 days left, right? And I kind of want to try to take a trade every day because I want to get you guys like understanding this. I just hope that you understand that one trade that I lost, I shouldn't have took it. Monday, economic calendar. I hope we don't have news because nothing's showing. Alright, so there. Looks like we're flipping order flow now. SMT down there, order block, displacement. So kind of want to try just longs from now on unless we get a clear, obvious short setup. But right now, this just doesn't look healthy. This looks gross. I'd wait till open. Okay, here comes open. I mean, bro, there's not... This looks dumb. Look at all this. Ew. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Okay, so... It looks like we could SMT this, possibly. Wait. Right there. No, that's equal lows. See if... Looks like E... I thought NQ was going to take it, not ES, but... Okay, so there we are. Right, and here's your lower time frame stop run. SMT, lower time frame stop run. Up close. Let's long. Right, and we have those... Are those equal highs? Nope. But right here's equal highs, right? And if we run those, I assume we run this. Alright, stop to break even. Right, and we are not long from below open, so that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Here we go. Looks like we should run that high. Should I take partials? I'd take partials any other time. Yeah, we should, because I'd partial there at those equal highs right here. We'll see if we run that high though. Boom. Nice. Alright, so why did I take this? Higher time frame SMT. Lower time frame stop run. Long, right? Long. Right here on this up close. That's it, right? I mean, you guys see how simple this strategy is. Yeah, you might take losses here and there, but even though I shouldn't have took that one loss, so we'll see. Okay, so we had news this day, but nothing's showing. So if I get, ow, see that? I think it's starting to bleed again. If I get stopped because of news, I'm gonna be furious. Okay, so let's look at the daily. Okay, so it looks like we're kind of just chopping our way up, right? I mean, Monday did have a small range, but it looks like Tuesday wants to complete go higher, right? I guess I didn't even look at the weekly, right? So the weekly took this low, and I think that we should come up here and take this high, right? Weekly CRT takes range low, rotate to range high. 4 hour, no fair value gap though. No SMT. I'd wait for open and see if we open up this 1 hour. Unless we have a fat 15-minute. Nope, because this is... This makes me think that we go lower. Straight down, straight up. How many people are chasing this, right? So this is like, yeah, we are in bullish order flow, but this is one of those instances where I'm like, well, how many people just got crushed going short, crushed going long, and now they're long, like they're trying to long a breakout above here, right? That's how I'm kind of thinking about this whenever we have this type of move. All right, so there's 9. Still didn't take that high though. Right, so yeah, we are in bullish order flow, but how many people longed this and how many people shorted this? Like, max damage in this instance would be run it lower, run it higher, run it lower, right? It's kind of what I'm thinking. Right there's an SMT. I would like it more if ES tried to take those highs though. Boom. Right, so let's see if this SMT holds. Kind of want to try a short. Oh man, it's right before open though, so okay, good thing I didn't. Right, I don't want, my rule for open is if it's 10 minutes before open, I'm not trying anything, right? If I'm not in a position before 10 minutes, then there's no trade. I just think that we run this lower, to be honest. I don't think we continue. Like, I think this right here probably is going to be your high. Should I test it? I don't know if I should. I kind of want to, bro. Right there's your CISD. There's no... Is there any sort of SMT, though? No, there's none. Well, I guess right here. 4 hour fair value gap. Right, 15. Guys, yeah, okay, so let's say this. I do think that we go in bullish order flow, but intraday, right? What are we above? We're well above midnight open, right? Well above midnight open, which is right here. Well above 8:30, which is right here. Straight down, straight up. How many people are chasing this, right? I'm thinking of max damage scenario, right? So we can try a short. I mean, why not? It's back testing, right? Partials there. We have equal lows. We can try the entire way down here, but I doubt we get there. Whatever. If I lose, I lose. Uh-oh. Looks like I'm gonna... What didn't I wait for? Dude, once again. Stop run. I'm gonna get stopped, and then it's gonna go lower. I can retry. Unless I'm actually wrong about this, but no, I don't think I am. Right there! We're retrying this. Once we get a nice down close candle, though. Like right there. Dude, we have all those equal highs, but we do have this SMT. Dude, screw it. I just want to go outside. It's beautiful out. Maybe I am just wrong, bro. Oh, I am wrong. Okay, so I actually am wrong about this. Oh my god, I'm so wrong. Okay, so I'm just completely wrong about that day. Whatever. So coming into this day, SMT down there at this low, right? SMT right here. Right, bullish order flow, 4 hour fair value gap. We can see if we can catch a long. SMT. This looks awful. SMT right there. Short that. Huh. Bruh, I just want to go outside. It's 12:45 and I'm sitting in here doing this. Could have longed. Stop run, up close, long. Yeah. Alright, so why would you long there? Right, we still have this SMT intact, 4 hour fair value gap. 15-minute stop run. 1 minute up close. Boom. Delivers. Right. We go a lot higher. We run high of day. So right there. That would have been beautiful, but I just wasn't paying attention. 228 points. Boom. So. Okay. Daily fair value gap opened up. It's Thursday. Do we have an SMT there? Okay, so we do have an SMT there. No, we got to come lower. I can't long that. Do we have an SMT? Slight one. Now we do. I mean, there was no trade here. I mean, there's no trade to be taken. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? That's just stupid. Alright, so no trade that day. The day before, you guys saw that I should have took that one long, but it is what it is. I just wasn't paying attention. So ES is pretty close to this high. 4-hour fair value gap. It is Friday though, so gotta be careful. Right, and we can label this one straight down. I don't like this. I mean, this is just chopping. Do we just chop all day? Okay, so we do start to go higher. I'm not... Alright. Let me see. I need to try to take a trade. This is 50 minutes. I'm just, like, after a half hour, I just start to get like, dude, I just want to be done. Alright, so this is a new week. So, we got really close to taking this high, but we did not get there. So, we can see, it looks like we could start to on this day. Could classify that as an order block, but 4 a.m. London kill zone could be low of day. Is there news? Oops. Oh, nice. It's showing. No news on this day. What do we have the rest of the week, though? Okay, so nothing really important. We do have this. I just realized we have a 1 hour fair value gap. Oh, and an SMT up here. Okay, so they're not correlated at all right now. Come on, bruh. Let me try to get a trade. Okay, here we go. Dude, really? I'm not... No shot am I longing or doing anything yet. We really didn't take that low? You serious? So ES just took that objective. Dude. I kind of just want to, like, we have equal low. I don't know if we run them, though. We should. I mean, I just want to try a position just because I haven't. Why is this stop loss only 20 points? Oh, and we have a bunch of equal highs up here. Is this like a bank holiday? No, I'm not doing it. Okay. Ah. It's over. Well, let's see. Win rate 60%, even though it should be a little higher. I should have another win and one less loss. Average R 7. Monday 2K. Tuesday 7K. I never even took a trade on Wednesday. Thursday 7K. Friday 1K. So right there. I mean, you guys just saw it. Like, yeah, that's my fault. Most, like, I really. And wait, take a look at this. Losing trades, average duration is 1 minute. That is how you know, like, okay, I'm cutting losers quick. 23 minutes for my winners. That's pretty good, right? So, oh wait, total 4 minutes, 2 hours. So there you go. But yeah, that's my fault completely. For some of those trades, I just get really bored, right? 10 trades in how many days? From the, can I see when I started? I don't know how to use this, to be honest. I think it was 20 days, so one trade every other day, basically. I mean, that's pretty much how it goes, right? I don't take trades every single day. If you come into the Discord, you'll see me send chart executions like twice a week, 3 times a week. I don't take trades every single day. That's just not how I trade. So right there, it's the back testing session. Some of those losses shouldn't have been taken, but it is what it is. Join the free Discord. I'm out of here. Peace.